How's it going, guys? This is Sean. I'm with Excess Power Batteries here in Knoxville, Tennessee. And today we're going to give you a quick but detailed look at the Titan8 Power Series. So we've got two models here today. The S5, which is your standard 12-volt charging. So stock alternators, vehicles below 14.7 will be utilizing this one. Then you've got your S6, which is up to 17.2. This is common in vehicles that have a high output alternator or a higher charging voltage, say 15.2 to 15.8 range, like I said, all the way up to 17.2. So we're going to give a brief overview of both of these, kind of what we're looking at with each one, and help to make you an informed decision. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the S5. As you can see, the S5 is much smaller, roughly an inch smaller. Same type of look, same type of a design. There's no differences. The only difference is that we're about an inch longer on the S6, and that is to incorporate another cell because we have increased our voltage of this like we talked about. So we're going to start off with this one. The S5 roughly weighs about 8 pounds. You've got your conventional M6 terminals on top. You got set screws on the end. The cool thing about these is they come blazoned on the side there. Both sides have that. These covers pop off. And they have 4 oversized 1-aught connections that are all connected internally. And you've got your positive side, just like that. Now all these are connected, so you don't have to worry about being to one or the other. You've got your end links here, which is a really cool option because you can do things like this. For example, if you're wanting to run 2 of them, you do it like that. And they come with a link that actually is set with them, so you can actually connect them together from the outside on the fly. Each kit comes with a pack of all materials needed, and this is a rubber covered link bar. So next side there, this would connect right here, and that way you can continually connect down the line. But what's even cooler about this, and something that's my personal favorite, is that they actually come with the mounting bolts on the bottom. So you stick this bolt through the bottom, through the entrance right there, and you can mount it flat on a surface. So if you drilled holes in a piece of wood or whatever you're working on and run the wires from the bottom, now you have it mounted with no external mounting in a nice secure fashion. Also come with black anodized sets for each side. So that's a brief overview of the S5 and S6. As a reminder, the S6 is very similar. The only difference is that the operating range is higher. So you're going to experience a little bit more weight, roughly 9.5 to 10 pounds compared to 8 to 9, but you're going to have a higher voltage range. So if you're looking at being 13, 14 volts resting while demoing, or looking to keep your voltage above that 13, 14 volts while using, the S6 is going to be a better option, but you may need to look at another alternator to maintain that step charge. 15.5 to 16.2 is 100% range for this one. If you're looking to stay stock alternator voltage, or you have a car that's particularly susceptible to a higher voltage, and you got to be careful with that, go with the S5. Cool thing about the S5s is, and I'm going to go ahead and rattle some off, so you may want to pause and write these down if you're looking at buying this currently. So the S5 can be ran with AGM batteries. This is the modular version, so it cannot be run under the hood, but multiple variety of models are available in the same performance, just in the BCI housing. So 34, 48, 65s, 47s, for cars such as Mustangs, Tahoes, you name it. Chrysler 300s, Dodge Chargers, anything you're looking to replace in, we probably make a BCI model that would work into. You're expecting 20 years out of this battery, if not longer. So you're going to own the battery more likely longer than you're going to own the car. So it's a very good option to have. You can use an AGM charger too, so there's no need to switch over a different charger, or there's no reason to put an isolator in between them. And obviously recharge. So recharge on a smaller pack like this on a 5 to 7,000 watt battery is going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of roughly 10 minutes depending on the charge. So jump off capable, we sell the jump packs as well. They'll probably be in a link somewhere that you can find them and see the part numbers that's susceptible with these. And you've also got easy top post on both sets if you need to charge it quickly. I'm Sean, I'm with Excess Power. Give us a call if you need something. Thank you.